Hello friends, so today we're going to discuss the problem C from the latest educational code forces round 98, problem named 2 brackets. According to me, this is the simplest problem of the set, even though it's a C problem, but if you understand the problem, it's very simple. So you are given a string S consisting of brackets like this type of bracket and hardcore hard brackets, and then a string is called regular bracket sequence RBS if it is of the following type. It can be empty string, a single bracket plus this RBS, a hard bracket plus this RBS, or RBS plus RBS. It just means that you are just giving a RBS, this means a regular bracket sequence, that some open brackets or some closed brackets. So in one move, what you can do, you can choose a non-empty subsequence. You can choose like a subsequence which doesn't need to be consecutive of that RBS and remove. So you have to take an RBS only, which means that it should be a complete regular sequence of brackets, and you can remove that from the string, and then the rest of the part will concatenate over itself. So you have to find out the maximum number of moves you can perform, the maximum number of RBS you can remove from the string which is given to you. So as you can see in this, you can remove this whole bracket, and then you can remove this once. In this you can remove this and this. In the third, you will think that how you can remove, but because you can remove a subsequence. So as you can see in the example only, you can remove the first and the third, because this is a bracket opening and a bracket closing. So you can remove this, and then this hard bracket will collapse on each other, so it will become like this two hard brackets. This will left, and then you can take out this also. So what you can observe in this question is, it is always beneficial to just take out a single bracket, an opening and a closing of a hard type or a simple normal bracket, because you want to maximize the number of moves to remove out the elements. If you take out okay, just remove out this part. Wait. If you take out this sequence, as you can see, this individually is a complete regular sequence, because these brackets open, close, open, close. If you take out this as a whole, as you can see, then it will take out one turn. But what beneficial you can do is just first take out this and then take out this, then it will be two turns. And thus, because you want to maximize this, it is always beneficial to just take out one bracket pair. Okay, just it is simple bracket or hard brackets, just take out two. And because you want to take out a subsequence, it is always beneficial to first, if you can, count out the number of opening brackets of this type and this type. And whenever you see, let's assume a closing bracket, you have to just check that whether a hard close opening bracket is already present. If it's present, just cancel out both of them and increment the count. If you find another opening bracket, just increment the count for opening. It is like type 1 type and type 2. For type 1 is simple brackets and hard brackets is type 2. So if you find out opening, just type 1 increase by 1, then 2, then 3, then this is 2 opening. Then when you find out closing bracket, just remove if there is some type 2 type present. So decrement it by 1 and cancel both of them out, and increment your total. I have removed out a subsequence of RBS from this, and this is one removal. So what you will do the next, if there is again opening of type 1, increment type 1. If there is two closings, so for every closing you take out this and this, and you can take out this and this. So you just have to ensure that there should be an opening bracket for every closing bracket, and if there is some opening bracket, just take out as a whole and increment the total. And that's the simplest logic for this problem. I did not put code part now. So this is the input of the string, the size of the string, total is the total number of removals you do, type 1 and type 2. So if you find an opening bracket of type 1, so type 1, type 2. If you find a closing bracket, and for every closing bracket, because this is type 2, if type 2 is greater than 0, which means that there are already some opening bracket present, so increment the total and decrement this type 2. Same you can do for this type 1, and the answer is just the total. I hope you get the intuition and the logic and the code itself for this problem. If you still haven't mentioned now, more videos are coming, so stay tuned. I'll see you next one. Keep coding. Bye.